Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about a survey on passenger satisfaction with the quality of service provided by Air China's customers. This is the contents page of this survey, which has 7 main parts, respectively introduction, literature review, research methodology, sampling, limitations and ethics, research proposal plan, and the reference list. And please allow me to introduce Air China. It is a high-quality airline that adheres to the safety first, passenger first philosophy, and it's committed to providing passengers with a unique and comfortable flight experience based on the 4Cs principle, which is credibility, convenience, comfort, and choice. The following is a statement of the problem. Customer satisfaction is measured by overall satisfaction with the 5 dimensions of airline service quality, so it is important to understand how satisfied passengers are with the quality of airline service to improve areas of passenger dissatisfaction and to maintain and improve areas of passenger satisfaction and to improve the passenger's experience and the company's reputation so that more passengers will choose to fly with Air China. So here are the 3 questions for the survey. The first is, what would make passengers happy and what would make them unhappy? Second is, what are passengers' expectations? And the third one is, what are the passengers' suggestions for improving their business? The aim of this study is to understand passenger satisfaction with the quality of airline services and to make recommendations for improvement where necessary. There are 3 objectives. The first is identify the factors that influence passenger satisfaction and dissatisfaction with quality of service. Second is understand customer expectations. And the third one is make the necessary improvement to attract more customers. And this will enable us to determine the directions of the study and to carry it out well. This paper is a review of the literature on satisfaction and service quality. About customer satisfaction, Oliver argues that customer satisfaction is a psychological state and a concept about whether the product or service desired by the customers is consistent with the actual outcome. And Edison and Fornews consider customer satisfaction as a pre- and post-assessment of a customer's purchase behavior. And this also defines service quality as a measure of how well the services provided by a company compares to customer expectations. And all of the literature reviewed on why satisfaction with service quality is important provides that it is an important indicator of how well an airline service meets passenger expectations and an important indicator in influencing passengers' decisions to choose to fly with Air China. Therefore, the research gap in the in this survey is a lack of research on specific airlines and airline passenger groups. Regarding the research methodology, both qualitative and quantitative research will be used to collect the reason and quantities of customer satisfaction and dissatisfaction with the 5 aspects of Air China's service quality. For the design of the research will be conducted using an online questionnaire because it is simple, quick, and inexpensive with 5 types of questions which are closed-ended, open-ended, multiple choice, ranking, and Likert skills. And for the sample selection, 200 passengers who are fluent with Chinese airlines were selected, and a sample random method was used to ensure that everyone had an equal chance of being selected. The research will collect both primary data and secondary data. The primary data will be obtained from questionnaire, both qualitative and quantitative, and the secondary data will be obtained from the internet, textbooks, and literature reviews, and after that will send by emails because it is convenient and fast. All data analysis for this research will be done using Google Forms and Excel softwares to draw accurate conclusions. For the limitations, there are 3 limitations about this research. The first is the inappropriateness and inaccurate of the sample will affect the accuracy of the results. And the second is the lack of experience of the researchers, which will affect the interpretation of the results. And the third one is the lack of sample size, which will also affect the accuracy of the results. For the ethics aspects, this research will ensure the accuracy of the research data. 200 respondents must have traveled on Air China's and seek the consent of the sample before sending the questionnaire to ensure that their information is confidential, and also need to respect all intellectual property rights and acknowledges the author's work. This is the research proposal plan for this research. There are 8 tasks in total. It is research proposal approved, design questionnaire, select samples, conduct pilot test, data collection, analyze data, report writing, and report submissions. And it will take 4 weeks to complete the research. And here's all the references about this survey. So finally, thank you for listening to my presentation.